Welcome back. If you've been building your website offline on your local machine, just like me, then at a point you would need to host it for the client or for yourself. You need to take it to your hosting account so that it will be live on the internet because right now it's only on your computer. So you need two things: a hosting account which you'll be provided with. Then you also need a plugin called Duplicator. There are lots of options for that, but I prefer Duplicator. It's easy and it's good. So go to the plugins page and type Duplicator. It's a migration plugin, so it helps you migrate from your local server, from your computer to the hosting account. Look at it, it's this first one. So click install now to install Duplicator. Very powerful plugin. Okay, let me activate and see. Okay, so now we have activated Duplicator. So by installing it, it's added a new menu item for us here. So let's click on it to, alright, it's still loading. Okay, click Duplicator to go to the plugins dashboard. Okay, so you see a lot here. You won't see a lot here, I mean, for the start, and that's the idea: simplicity. So the first thing you want to do is click create new. So you create a new package. So it creates certain things called packages. Packages are like a bundled version of your website which can be moved to the hosting account. So you can see this. You don't need to change all this default details it adds for you. You don't even need to change anything here. These are a bit advanced options. So just hit the next button to go to the next page, where it's going to scan and tell you if there's a problem with your version of WordPress or PHP or anything. So if it's scanned and there's no problem, then it's going to build it for you. Then we proceed. Alright, give it a minute or two to do its job. So let's see if there's a problem. Okay, everything is green, everything is good. So we're good to go now. So we can proceed. So we built. Usually if there's a problem, it will show red and it will warn you. Maybe it will say your version is outdated or there's something you need to fix. So now it's going to begin to build the package. Usually this takes between 3 to 5 minutes. So in order not to make the video too long, I'll pause and then come back once it's done scanning, once it has gotten to 100%. Okay, welcome back. 100%. So it is saying everything is 48 megabyte. So I will click here to download it. So just download them to your laptop, because this is actually what you're sending over to the server. So I would just save them here in this folder called Rocket Web Design. And then there you have it. We should be able to have the second one. Yeah, allow. All right. Something is delaying it. In case you have network issues or something, you can manually click them one by one, the two buttons, to download them. So this will download a file called installer.php for you. This will download an archive for you. After that, log into your cPanel and go to File Manager. So now, when you go to File Manager, if you already have an active hosting account, you don't need anything. You don't need to do what I'm about to do. I'm about to create a subdomain so that I'll host this on top of it. So I'll create a subdomain and I'll call it let's say Rocket, let's just say web design. Design. Okay, web design. All right. So this is how the subdomain will be: webdesign.rocketwest.com. So let me create it. In the background and in the file manager, it will create a new folder with this name for me, so that anything that goes to that folder is what exactly will show in the browser whenever somebody types this URL. But if you already have a hosting account you intend to use, all you need to do is to skip this step of creating a subdomain and then go to this folder called public HTML, right? So that's where you upload it. So now let me reload this page. So I'll have, okay, I don't need to reload it. Look at it here. This folder called what? webdesign.rocketwest.com. So I'll select it, in your case, public HTML folder. Then I'll click the upload button. Now it's time to upload your two files. So I'll start by uploading the installer.php. That should take less than a second. Beautiful. Next, I'm going to upload the other file, the heavier one. That's the archive file. So let me go back here and then I'll drop it. Depending on the speed of your internet, this shouldn't take long too. So once this is done uploading, you can go to the next step. So I'll pause the video and resume when it's done uploading. Beautiful, it's done uploading. So now let's get our site up on the internet. So now open a new tab and then just copy the name of the site and then you paste it on the browser tab. So the name of the site /installer.php. Make sure you get the spelling right. Name of the website /installer.php. Okay, we have issues here, so let's see what is it.